So nearly finished on doing the tractor up for the Garden House Hospice tractor run to raise money for the Garden House Hospice in Letchworth. They're aiming to raise £50,000 this year for charity, which is great.
Last year raising £35,000, which is great.
Pretty good. Had lots of volunteers here today.
Yeah,
to
in the village.
help us set up. Still got a few more lights to go on. Got the wheels to finish off. Yeah.
Light it up. They should have approximately, I think, 130, 150 tractors.
200.
Last year they had about 180 go through from starting at Baldock, heading towards Letchworth, then finishing in Hitchin. Well, we all know that it's going to finish about midnight.
So come and see the tractors and raise some money. Donate if you can.
Buckets will be going about, or you can text tractor, and I can't remember what number. So at least you can text tractor. But yeah, bring your cash out and have some fun with us.